रेडी। एक्सरसाइज 88 जीडी बिट्स 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ऑडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। 400, हाँ हाँ 100 तक 400 से ज़्यादा वर्ड है। रेडी। वेन्यू बी विजुअल कंप्यूटर नियर किरण इंस्टीट्यूट मुसलमपुर हाट पटना। बाई एम डी सद्दाम। मोबाइल नंबर 9507142555। रेडी। स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज जीडी बिट्स 88। स्टार्ट। The respondent, a constable in the railway protection force, was served with a memo of charge containing the allegation that while on duty at the railway station, he, along with another constable, jointly caught hold of a passenger at the railway platform, dragged and assaulted him and snatched money and the key of a tractor from his possession. Full stop. The inquiry officer held the respondent guilty and the disciplinary authority, agreeing with the same, inflicted upon him the punishment of removal from service. Full stop. The appellate authority, however, set aside the order of removal on various grounds, including the ground of non-examination of the complainant passenger, and directed for de novo inquiry. Full stop. De novo inquiry was held, however, the complainant did not appear. Full stop. Nonetheless, the respondent was again held guilty and removed from service in terms of the order of the disciplinary authority. Full stop. The appellate authority, however, substituted the punishment of removal from service to that of compulsory retirement. Full stop. The order was affirmed by a single judge of the High Court. Full stop. The division bench of the High Court, however, set aside the order of the single judge and quashed the order of compulsory retirement on the ground that the complainant was not examined. Full stop. The appellate authority, while setting aside the order of removal and directing for de novo inquiry, earlier had found the same bad in law on account of various grounds, including the ground of non-examination of the complainant. Full stop. Thereafter, in the de novo inquiry, the inquiry officer had taken pains to call the complainant from his native place, but he did not appear during the inquiry. Full stop. It is not the case of the respondent that the disciplinary authority purposely withheld the complainant from appearing in the departmental inquiry. From the order of the disciplinary authority does not act as a court of appeal and appraise evidence. Full stop. It interferes with the finding of inquiry officer only when the finding is found to be perverse. Full stop. The division bench of the High Court erred in setting aside the order of single judge and quashing the order of compulsory retirement. Full stop. The finding recorded by the inquiry officer was based on the materials on record and non-proper appreciation of evidence, which cannot be said to be preserved, calling for interference by the High Court in exercise of its power of judicial review. Full stop. A copy of the written complaint was produced during the course of inquiry, which supports the charge labeled against the respondent full stop. Further, the respondent in his evidence and defense had accepted the detention full stop. चलिए